Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you all the ringtones for the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sound and notification, it's the second tab, and then go to ringtone. As you can see, you've got plenty of ringtones here, so let me start with Life's Good. And that would be all. Let me pick, for example, Sunshine, tap on OK, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So that would be all. These are all the ringtones that you can activate in your LG K11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.